Hi, welcome to Gadget, and I'm going to show you how, if you've got a tight ratchet strap like this, how to loosen it off. Now let me just show you how it works. So this ratchet strap here is typical of any standard ratchet strap. What it does is it pulls tight when I pull this here, and you can hear that click, which means it's tight. And what in this instance I want to do is I want to take that loop off. Now in order to loosen off the ratchet strap, you'll find on the handle itself there are these two levers, and what you're trying to do is you're trying to put this arm, so this arm is normally the thing that you would use to tighten it up with, you pull those back, put it all the way to the back there, and what that does is that instantly releases the tension in that wheel there. And in this instance, if I just pull that, you can see that that's loosened that off. And if I just show you, in order to bring it back into the mode of tightening it up, bring that back like that, bring it all the way around, and what you'll see is as I'm pulling that ratchet strap, it's pulling that tight again. Okay, and in order to loosen it off, I just pull that back here, pull that round, loosen it off like that. Now what you can do on a ratchet strap is if I pull that ever so slightly and just bring it round here, that there, I can then bring that still round there, so it doesn't have to be flat like that. So make sure that when you undo it, you put it all the way to the back. So I hope that's helped. This should work for any ratchet strap, but please do like and comment.